Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace or how to remove a side view mirror on a BMW E90, E92, 3, all those models. We have a video how to replace the cover only, but today we'll show you how to remove the whole mirror. If you need to do that, stay with us and we'll show you how to do it. So first thing that we need to do guys, we need to remove that wood trim right here, and we're going to use a prying tool just to get it underneath the clips there. And you have to be careful not to break that one, because sometimes they're very fragile. Okay. You can see it has a few clips here and there. Once we remove it, actually we'll show you where the clips are, so you know what to expect and where to apply more pressure. Okay, you can see that's what the clips look like. Okay, just like that. Alright guys, let us show you what we're gonna do now. We need to remove a couple screws. Okay, one is right here, it's all the way in, trying to get the best shot we can with a T20 start looking bit. Once we remove it, we're gonna show you what that one looks like. Okay, right there. So second one there now. That didn't sound good. Make sure you don't strip those. Okay, third one towards the front. Okay, one there. We're going to leave the screws inside. It's pain in the butt to pull them out. You can use small pliers and actually pull them if you want to. Now we'll get a small prying tool, plastic prying tool like that, and we'll start prying the clips. Okay. Once we remove guys the door panel, we'll show you where the clips are, so you know what to expect. Some of them will be stuck pretty good, some come off pretty easy, so it depends. Okay, you can see it's getting there. Okay, towards the top. So now you need to bring it that way. There is clips this way. A little stressful. Okay, those are the clips we're talking about right here. And we can go ahead and disconnect the cable now, so we don't put pressure on it. Okay, let us show you now what you need to do here. Okay, so if you get a small prying tool, probably to get it right here, maybe it's gonna happen today. Okay, like that, and you pull it out, you see, and then you just install it that way again. Pretty simple design. Some of them are really complicated. And now we have the wires for the speakers here. Okay, so we need to go ahead and remove those, and those are a little bit more complicated. You need to pry right here, I think. Let me see. So you just grab and pull those guys. Okay, like that, they come out. Next we need to remove that tape here, and this is for the window switch. Okay, right there. So you press down, okay, and then you need to screw that to the back. Okay, and that's the wires for the window switch. And then we have the light right here on the bottom, which could be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but you can pull it out like that and just pull the wire out of it. Well, if we have an extra hand, it might be a little bit more helpful. Okay, just like that, we got that one out, and we have the door panel out guys. You can see just like that. Alright guys, so now that piece right here, that trim, we need to actually remove that. It's a little bit complicated how you pull it, but you get used to it. I mean, just careful not to break it. So if you need to replace your speaker, okay, the little one, you remove that foam piece, and that's where it is located, and you just pull it out and replace it with a new one. And now we're gonna show you how to remove the mirror. Alright guys, now we need to go ahead and disconnect the wires. You just press down and pull. Okay, it's right there. We might have to do it from the outside to pull the mirror. Okay, right there. You can see that's the one we're talking about. So you just press down right there and pull. And now we have 3 bolts with a T30 that we will need to remove right here. 1, 2, and the other one is hidden there in the hole. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those now. And we'll be very close to removing the mirror. You'll see in a second. Okay, the other one right there. Don't drop those inside the door panel. That's what the bolt looks like. Now, this one and one more. Okay, you need to hold it for the last one. And now I'm gonna go to the outside and grab it and pull it out. Okay, and that's how you guys remove and replace the side view mirror on a BMW E90, E92, E93. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to... So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.